Rahul Gandhi is now leaving for Patna for the Bihar Bandh thing that we will see today. RJD supporters have already started blocking roads. Railway tracks have now been blocked. It is Rahul Gandhi, who's all set to leave from the national capital, will be travelling to Patna for Bihar Bandh. We will see Rahul Gandhi along with Tejasvi Yadav. Both of them will be marching together in Patna. A big bandh has now been called. We have seen how RJD supporters have been blocking roads and have been blocking railway tracks. Tires, in fact, in certain parts of Bihar have been burnt. The administration is on its toes. Rahul Gandhi is now leaving for Patna. He'll be taking part in the Bharat Bandh that will take place. This is the big Election Commission versus India bloc battle that is taking place in Bihar. On one side, the electoral roll, the revision of the electoral roll is taking place. On the other side, we are seeing coming together of the opposition parties. None other than Rahul Gandhi all set to reach Patna. He, along with Tejasvi Yadav, both the leaders, will then be leading the march, the Bihar Bandh march that we will see take place through the course of the day today. Rahul Gandhi leaving from the national capital, all set to reach Patna in the next couple of hours. We will see Bihar Bandh taking place today. The images that you are seeing on your screens coming in from Hajipur. Tires have been burnt. Many roads have been blocked. In fact, railway tracks have also been blocked by RJD supporters. This is a Bihar Bandh call which has been given by the Congress party and by the RJD. Both of them, it seems like, are all set to fight the state elections, though no official response has come neither from the Congress party nor from the RJD. RJD supporters have been blocking roads, have also been blocking railway tracks. My colleague Rohit Singh is now joining me on the story. Rohit, Rahul Gandhi in the next couple of hours will be reaching Patna, and then we will see those visuals coming in. Rahul Gandhi walking alongside Tejasvi Yadav, both of them leading the Bihar Bandh march.
Well, absolutely. It's going to be a big protest march by Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav and other Mahagathbandhan leaders today to protest against the special intensive drive of the voter list that is right now going on in the state of Bihar. And today, a Chakka Jam has been called by the Mahagathbandhan leaders. So since early morning, we are seeing that in various districts of Bihar, there have been some impact of the Chakka Jam call that has been given in Jahanabad, in Khagaria, in Maner, several places. In Hajipur also, train movements have been stopped. The vehicular movement on the national highways have been stopped. And right now, I am at the Sachivalaya halt in Patna. And here you can also see that in a short while from now, Pappu Yadav, the MP from Purnia, is also going to arrive here at the Sachivalaya halt, and his party supporters have declared that they will be halting the movement of trains here. So that is why we are seeing that security deployment has also been put in place to ensure that nothing untowards happen. You can see on my left that both the paramilitary and the state police and the railway police here in large numbers to ensure that nothing untowards happen here. And it's a big day, and just because Bihar is already in an election mode, and that is why we are seeing that the special intensive drive of the voter list that has been initiated in the state, massive protest is being witnessed here, especially by the opposition leaders. And today a big Chakka Jam has been given, and dharnas and protests will be taking across the state. And demand of Tejasvi Yadav is just simple: just stop this entire exercise as of now, because what he believes is that the intention of the election commission, what he's alleging is that the intention of the election commission is to cut the large number of voters in the state to benefit the ruling dispensation, and that's the NDA. So Chakka Jam is right now underway, and in several places in Bihar we have seen that there has been some impact of this Chakka Jam call. Back to you.
Right, Rohit, please stay on with me. The visuals that you can see coming in from the state of Bihar, a Chakka Jam has now been called for. Roads have been blocked, tires have been burnt. The administration is on its toes, and we expect more visuals coming in once Rahul Gandhi will be landing in Patna, and then he, along with Tejasvi Yadav, will be walking on the streets in Patna. There is a plan to gherav the CEO, that is the Chief Electoral Officer's office in Patna. So that's also something that we will see RJD doing. Fresh political flashpoint is now brewing in Bihar. We are now seeing this flashpoint because of the ongoing voter roll revision that is taking place. The opposition has announced that there will be a mega stir in Patna. Rahul Gandhi all set to lead the Chakka Jam. He will be doing it alongside RJD's Tejasvi Yadav. Leaders of the parties of the Mahagathbandhan all set to take out a protest march. The march will begin from the income tax office all the way to the election office, and they will then try to get out the office of the chief electoral officer, that is the CEO. Earlier, a train was stopped in Bihar, and at the Gandhi Setu in Hajipur, we did see how blockages took place. All of this was being done by RJD supporters. Tejasvi Yadav slammed the electoral roll cleanup process and has now promised that he will take this protest to every street in the state of Bihar. The BJP has hit back, accusing the opposition of trying to shield all the infiltrators and secure the votes of a particular community.
तेजस्वी यादव जी पूरी तरह से फ्रस्ट्रेशन में, जिस कानून व्यवस्था की बात को लेकर वो बात करते हैं, अपने दल के अंदर वो सुधार करें। दलदल में फंसा उनके दल के लोग प्रत्यक्ष अप्रत्यक्ष अपराध से जुड़े हैं और इसकी समीक्षा
कुछ संविधान विरोधी लोग आए कल से बिहार बंद का घोषणा कर रहे हैं। उसमें बड़े नाम है राहुल गांधी जी का, तेजस्वी यादव वाले। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कि जो आधार कार्ड है वो खुद कहता है कि नागरिकता का ये प्रमाण पत्र नहीं है। वो वोट बैंक देखते हैं और इलेक्शन कमीशन उचित भारतीय नागरिक को ही मतदान के लिए खोज रहा।
अब इस पर मैं क्या बोलूं, उनका अधिकार है। कार्रवाई हो रही है, पुलिस पूरी लगी है, डीजीपी लगी हुई है। मैं इतना ही कहूंगा कि अपनी राजनीति के लिए इस तरह के कार्यक्रम करते हैं तो तनाव बढ़ाते हैं, ये भी देखना पड़ेगा। अभी बिहार में शांति की जरूरत है और बाकी तो चुनाव आ रहा है, चुनाव में सब दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा।
सबसे पहले राहुल गांधी जी ही रिवीजन मांगते हैं, फिर जब रिवीजन होता है तो वो धरना पे बैठ जाते हैं। तो राहुल गांधी जी चाहते क्या है, ये तो किसी को समझ में ही नहीं आ पा रहा है। राहुल गांधी जी, तेजस्वी यादव जी, ये लोग सब एक ऐसे चीज का मुद्दा बना रहे हैं जो सही में मुद्दा है ही नहीं। वो क्या चाहते हैं, जो घुसपैठी बिहार राज्य में बैठे हुए हैं वो वोट देकर के उनको जिता देंगे। अगर कोई भी इन्यूमरेशन टास्क होता है, कोई भी अगर ये तरीका है सर्वे कराने का, तो ये तो बिहार राज्य के जो लोग हैं उनके फायदे के लिए हो रहा है ना। अगर कोई भी सर्वे होता है तो आपके पास डेटा आता है, वो तो फायदे का चीज है। अब आप कह रहे हैं कि नहीं ये गलत हो रहा है, ये गलत हो रहा है। बाकी राज्यों में आप रिवीजन मांग रहे हैं, अब बिहार राज्य में हो रहा है तो आप इसको गलत कह रहे हैं।
देखिए, अभी चुनाव सामने है, इसलिए राहुल गांधी जी की यात्रा बिहार में हो रही है, वरना आज तक कभी भी अपनी पार्टी के ऐसे कार्यक्रमों में जाकर पटना में सड़क पर उतरने का काम उन्होंने नहीं किया। अब देख रहे हैं कि विधानसभा चुनाव है तो राजनीतिक लाभ के लिए यात्रा कर रहे हैं। ठीक है कि घटना वहां हुई है, तो घटना हुई है तो पुलिस कार्रवाई भी कर रही है, सख्ती से कार्रवाई कर रही है। लेकिन अब राहुल जी और विपक्ष के लोग राजनीतिक के लाभ के लिए इस तरह का कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं, उसमें शामिल हो रहे हैं। तो मालूम है बिहार के लोगों को कि सिर्फ चुनाव है इसलिए लोग आ रहे हैं, तो राजनीतिक लाभ मिलने का कहीं से दूर दूर तक कोई प्रश्न नहीं उठता है। प्रशासन अपना काम कर रहा है।